Still on when the first bird calls. The windows are ghosts of the night before. A lawn chair still sits in the tune alone. The world hasn't noticed the door is open, and the air is so thin. I could stay here and let it begin. Morning haze, you pull me in, soft as a voice I've never been. Nothing's moving, nothing's wrong. The clock on the holding its breath. The fog lifts slow from the river's bend, the same way you lean into the wind. No one's asking for my name. The quiet holds me just the same, and the air is so thin. I could stay here and let it begin. Morning haze, you pull me in, soft as a voice I've never been. Nothing's moving, nothing's wrong. The clock on the wall is holding its breath. The dark still wet from the rain last night. The water's glass, not a ripple in sight. The light that waits for no one to see is waiting for me. Morning haze, you pull me in, soft as a voice I've never been. Nothing's moving, nothing's wrong. The clock